Hi, it's Lynette here, and today I have my latest in beauty box for August. And for the first time, the packaging usually comes in a plastic bag with a box inside, but it just came as a box, and you tear off the strip, which is actually probably a bit better for the environment. So another piece of plastic that's not kind of been put to waste. So yeah, I wasn't actually sure at first what it was, but yeah, I looked at the label and I could see the LIB. So inside, it doesn't tell you what the edit is, so I wonder if that was costing them too much money to put each kind of edit on every box. So all it says is Latest in Beauty and My Beauty Discovery. So that's how it comes now. I am still on the 9-item box. However, if I was to cancel this subscription, then I would and rejoin, I would be put back on the new tariff, which is 6 items. So it used to be 3, 6 and 9, but now it's only 6 with one set price. I pay £18 and that includes my postage and packaging, which I think is fantastic. So I'm going to tell you that this month, I've totaled it up this month, I don't normally do that, but this month my box is worth a whopping £157.45, which is just over 8.5 times what I actually paid for the box, which I think is absolutely amazing. So I went on to different websites and things and kind of got the prices for the product, so I thought I would do that before I came on. So I'm just going to go through my items one by one. Sometimes when I'm opening them, I haven't opened them since I've had them, like since I've ordered it, so I always forget what's in it. So it was quite nice going through it. So I picked up another OK Illuminating Serum, which has got hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3. And that is a fantastic wee serum there. I go through serum like you wouldn't believe. And this serum, it's £15. Yeah, I was quite surprised actually. You do get quite a lot in it. But yeah, £15 for that. 300ml. So I didn't realise it was that price, but I think that's an alright price, but it was more expensive than I imagined it. So this has been in Latest in Beauty for months. So just always kind of do a wee check that it's still in date. They're usually quite good, but there have been some occasions where there's been a few products that were close to their sell-by date or actually on their sell-by date, but I can't see anything. But I will have a wee look, but I've not had anything for a long time that's been like that. And there's 2 products in here that are absolutely brand new. So Latest in Beauty sometimes does that. I think for a wee while people might have felt it was brands that were getting rid of products. So sometimes if a brand changes its packaging, you'll be able to get it in Latest in Beauty, and it's still got lots of shelf life in it, so that's fine with me. However, sometimes Latest in Beauty also get brands that are bringing out new products and want to kind of let people try them. So there's, I think Sally, one of my lovely subscribers, had told me that these products were coming, and they're body products from the brand Naughty. Now I love Naughty for my hair care, and they've got a conditioning leave-in spray and a leave-in conditioner as well, which is absolutely gorgeous, as well as a shampoo and conditioner. So when I saw this, so it's the booster, it's called, so it's cruelty-free, vegan, no parabens, no sulfites, no silicones, so it's 97% natural, which I think is amazing. So it's got grapeseed oil and caffeine, so it's a body moisturizer, skin tightening for dull, tired skin. So 250 mils, and I love the colour of it as well. It just really pops. So how much was that? That was £8.50. Oh, can't even get it open. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it just comes out. I thought maybe there might be a seal on it. Yeah, that's nice. It's not too overpowering, but I don't know what it is I'm smelling. Yeah, it's got a lovely subtle smell. And the next one is a skin toning and firming body serum with grapeseed oil and Indian coleus. So that's a smaller bottle, that's 100ml, and that was £9.50, which I thought was quite good. So, and it's a gel, if you can see that there. That smells nice as well. Quite natural. So I don't know if you'd use the serum and then the moisturiser like you would do on your face. So I'll need to have a wee discovery of that, a wee play around with that. Next was something that I didn't actually realise the price when I ordered it. So it's Dragonfly CBD oil now. I suffer from chronic pain, and CBD oil is supposed to be really good. However, this one is peppermint flavoured. Now I have tried some. You put, is it 5 drops under your tongue? And it actually doesn't taste as bad as some of the other oils. Some of them taste like putting like grass or wheat or something onto your tongue, and not weed. Yeah, that's the thing. This doesn't have any THC, so it will not get you high, but it's supposed to be good for pain. It's 500 milligrams. I checked on the website for 10 mils. It was £29.50. So I thought that was fantastic. But there's a couple more higher kind of value products in here. So the Philip Kingsley, which is the elasticizer, which is a deep conditioning treatment. There we go. I thought it might actually be quite good for the, what's the word? It's not nativity. It's that Christmas box that you pull stuff out. Advent, but the Advent calendar that I make up for my sister. But that's worth £10 for the 40 mils. So it's a deep conditioning treatment. Egyptian jasmine and mandarin. Sounds lovely, doesn't it? So we've got that. I keep looking because I've got my list down here. We've also got Emery Nails. Now, I'd never heard of that brand before. There we go. And it's called Valentina. Now, I've added this because I did have a shade like this, but I've used it up in my nail polish collection. So there we go. And that was that £8? Yep, that was £8. I thought that was actually quite good. I also ordered this now. I'm not even sure what this was when I picked it up. It's called CliniSoothe, and it's a skin purifier, protects skin from pollutants and impurities, prevents breakouts and promotes rapid recovery. So it says it's a highly stable, oil-free, high purity, hypochlorous, a revolutionary new step in your skin health routine. So you spritz this on your skin over clear skin, and once you've cleaned your skin, you spritz this on and you don't need to rinse it off. And repeat application as necessary. So I don't know if you use that once a day, twice a day. It's free from alcohol, sulfates, preservatives, colorants and fragrance. It's got 7 benefits in one groundbreaking product. So yeah, ideal for your daily skin health routine. So provides antimicrobial protection against environmental stressors, breakouts and skin irritations. I thought I'll give this a bash. And how much was this? £14.95. So that is it's 100 mils. It's a little spray. I am going to spray it on my arm. It's a fine mist, which is quite good. Yeah, no fragrance. I don't know why I was sniffing it. So there you go. So I've never heard of CliniSoothe before. Well, that's what I like about Latestinbeauty, is that you can try all these different brands you've never heard of, or or thought of before. So that's what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have the face mask. Now, if you've seen the face mask, I think it's the haul of item for this month, and that means there's one available for everybody, which is fantastic, because when things like this came on before, there wasn't always enough for everybody, and it depended when your pick was and what have you. So now they make it that the haul of item, they guarantee to have enough for everybody, and this is a fantastic. I've never tried it, but I do have one other one. I was keeping it for good so I can use this. It's 111 Skin, and it's from Harley Street, London. It's a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. So there we go. You might have seen a few people use it online. I think sometimes they get it in their FabFitFun boxes, but they get a box of 5. This is £20 for one. Yep. No word of a lie. £20. Oh, I was like, yep. I knew that was the price actually when I ordered it, but I just thought I am having me one of these. So this is the highest priced item in the box. It is Nails Yard. remedies, and it's frankincense intense hydrating essence, visibly smooths conditions and refines. 24-hour hydration, and that is 100 mils, and that is made in England. I'm sure Neil's Yard's an English company, and we do have them up here. They sell lots of herbal remedies and things like that, natural, everything's really, really natural. So, okay, enhance your beauty routine with a luxurious layer of hydration, prepping skin for improved performance of treatments that follow. Providing 24 hours of hydration, skin will look smoother, feel softer and more refined, with radiance restored for a naturally glowing complexion. Right, so it's got hyaluronic acid in it because that's a caution. It binds water to the skin to help retain water, and conditioning argan oil to nourish and strengthen to leave skin feeling soft, smooth and radiant. Enhances your well-being with the frankincense essential oil, treasured for centuries for its deeply relaxing aroma. So how do we use it? Well, apply morning and evening to cleanse skin. Add a few drops in the palm of your hand and take a moment to inhale the aroma. Using your fingertips, gently glide over the face and slowly pat until absorbed. So it says here that it's been clinically proven to hydrate skin for up to 24 hours. After 1 week, 80% agree that skin looks smoother, 75% agree that their natural glow is restored after a week. After 2 weeks, 80% agree the appearance of skin is improved, and 80% agree that their skin looks brighter over time, with 71% agreeing their complexion is refined. And that is based on a consumer trial with 100 women. I'm always really surprised that the consumer trials are always in such low numbers. Like, even for some of the bigger companies, you know, you see the small print and it's like based on, you know, a trial of 80 women. So this is it here. The packaging is very luxurious. It reminds me, is it, I can't remember what it reminds me of, but I know, but I can't get Essie Lauder. Is that what it reminds me of? The blue and the kind of gold like that. But the packaging is really, really lovely. So there you go. So when you open it up, it's just the kind of dropper. So you just drop a couple of those into your hand. I don't want to waste it, but I want to smell it. So I'll put a drop on. It's got a kind of slight oily texture to it, and you can smell the frankincense is quite subtle. Yeah, that's lovely. I'm looking forward to trying that. And also, I got these little freebies. There's 3 of them, and I didn't put those in with the price in the box. It's 3 little Cetaphil Daily Defense Moisturisers. Now that we're able to travel again, you know, these kind of things might be good to take on your travels with you. So we'll see. I'm not sure what's happening this year, whether I'm travelling for work or pleasure. So I'm just going to run through the 9 items for £18 that came to £157. I think that's fantastic. Neil's Yard, the hydrating serum, kind of like a toner, isn't it? Almost. The Naughty Booster body moisturiser. I love the packaging on that. I love the colour. The body serum. There we go. I'm throwing it into the box over here. I need to be careful. The 1-1 skin mask that I can finally use. It's not it. The Clini Soothe Skin Purifier. That's just the box for it. The Emery Nails Nail Polish. The OK Illuminating Serum. The CBD oil, and the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. Now, I'm throwing that away. I'm popping this video up on the day that I filmed it, and I did go in and the items were still available if you're interested to pop on. And I've just noticed I've been clearing out my wardrobe, in case you're wondering what this jazzy combo is. So yeah, I've been going through my wardrobe trying to make some space. So that I'll be putting all the items that are here into a declutter video and then popping them off to the charity shop. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you've got any of these items or if you're going to go on and see if you can get some pics now. And I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.